How to restore Apple TV Plus after cancellation. First, you want to simply open your Apple TV application. Once you're inside your Apple TV application, you want to simply sign in with the Apple account used for that subscription over here. You can simply tap on your profile at the top right of your screen and you'll be able to see your Apple account over here. You want to simply make sure that the Apple account is actually used for that subscription previously. And by doing so, what you can do is you'd be able to open your account settings over here and you'd be able to find the subscription page over there as well. What you can also do is you can simply go to your settings over here, your device's settings, and you can simply tap on your profile over here. By doing so, you want to tap on subscription over here and you'd be able to find the subscription over here. If you have recently canceled your subscription, you'd be able to see it over here as well. You can simply tap on Apple TV over here if it is available for renewal, and by doing so, you'd be able to choose a subscription option and you'd be able to confirm the subscription over here, and by doing so you would have successfully restored Apple TV Plus even after it being cancelled. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll see you guys on the next one.